Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? So I just wanted to come here in a small video, skincare video again. I wanted to share with you this wonderful sunscreen which I use now regularly. This is a very good sunscreen. I'm talking about sunscreen because it's summertime and it is very necessary that you apply sunscreen to your hair, to your face, to your skin. So one of the best sunscreens which I have been using for quite some time is this. This is the Dot and Key Watermelon Cooling Sunscreen with SPF 50 plus, and it has so many other ingredients with hyaluronic acid. It's a broad spectrum sunscreen which is good for all skin types. It's very lightweight sunscreen and it is very good for mature skin. Especially my mom uses this during her morning walks. She really likes this sunscreen because it doesn't give the greasiness on her face when she is sweating. So it also acts as a moisturizer, so there's no need of applying moisturizer when you use this sunscreen. It's a very good sunscreen for all age skins, and it retails for $4.45 for 50 ml of the product. 50 grams of the product. It is fragrance free. There's no fragrance in this, and it's the texture is very light. I'll show you the texture in a minute. So you can order this. It's not a sponsored video, please. I'm not being paid for all this. I've just wanted to share with this product because I felt it is very necessary that I give a very positive review on this particular sunscreen. This is the Dot and Key sunscreen. So if you are somebody who are looking for a good sunscreen for mature skin, for old skin, then you can give this, and you can also use this for all skin types of all ages. So I want to just show you the texture of this sunscreen. Okay, just see a small thing. It just gels. There is no white cast at all. It just slips into your skin easily, very seamlessly, and without any stickiness or greasiness. Very good for the summers, especially when you are outdoors, when you have some work where you start sweating a lot under your makeup. Very nice sunscreen. There's nothing left on my skin. Just seamlessly it will settle into your skin. So very good sunscreen. You can try this sunscreen, and I'm telling sunscreen a lot of times, but yes, this is the product. Go for it, guys. Go for it. It's very nice. But I really wanted to share this beautiful sunscreen with you all. Very cost effective. It retails for $4.45, but I got this during the sale and it costed me around $3.25 or something. So that's how it is. Sorry for all the disturbances outside, the noise. I just wanted to come live and talk to you without recording, without any voiceover. So okay, I have another sunscreen which I'm going to tell you. This is another sunscreen which is the Dr. Sheth's ceramide and vitamin C sunscreen with the SPF 50 plus with PA+++, anti-pollution, anti-visible light, protects against UVA and UVB rays. So whatever the science, but this is a very good sunscreen. It has 1% ceramide, 2% vitamin C, hyaluronic acid, mineral and organic filters. All those good things of sunscreen which is required is there in this sunscreen, which is dermatologist formulated. 50 grams of the sunscreen retails for some again $4.49, and I've got this also on sale. Very nice sunscreen. I use this during heavy, maybe at around 1 o'clock sun, when I require a lot of outdoor work. When I have outdoor work, when I require a lot of protection, then this is what I use. A little bit thick, but very. I've taken a lot of product. You need to just rub it a little bit extra work on your skin, but this gels very seamlessly. When you are out in the sun, when you don't bother about the sweating, then this sunscreen works like magic. You can see a little bit sticky, but no, it's not problematic. If you have very dry skin, then this sunscreen acts as a moisturizer also. Very nice sunscreen. I really don't know the science behind all these sunscreens, whether it is physical, mineral, chemical, nothing I know. I mean, it's easy to know that you can just study about it and get to know what it is, but I do practical tests, and that is why I know these are good sunscreens. The best test is that you don't get tanned after you apply this. That is the best test, and you don't have any skin irritation like acne or pimples coming out after you use sunscreens. So that is a natural and good test, I feel. So therefore I am recommending you. These are non-sponsored videos, that's why it's a honest and very positive reviews of these two particular sunscreens which has worked very well. And you can just tag me if you like that I have recommended these products. So Dr. Sheth and Dr. Keen sunscreens, very good, very good. You can try this. So any sunscreen whichever you use, apply it 20 minutes before going out in the sun. That's how I do, that's how they recommend to do, the doctors recommend or tell you to do. Applying it 20 minutes, 15 minutes to 20 minutes before going out will help to help the sunscreen settle in your skin and help to give you the maximum benefits. They also recommend reapplication, but I have not done that. I don't know how to do that, but if you are in a position to reapply, you can do, but I have not done. But that was not required of me to do it anytime. It's not that I was in the sun for a long period so that I need reapplications. It will stay for the entire day for me, maybe for 5 to 6 hours. Entire day is 5 to 6 hours. So try these sunscreens and let me know how it works for you. So honest review. If you want any product reviews like this, you can tell me. I've been using sunscreens, I've been using sometimes moisturizers, and I have been using lipsticks. So you can tell me if you want any reviews. I will let you know. So thanks for watching.